Hello everybody, welcome to our new tutorial on how to buy CRO, the crypto.com coin on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account on coinbase.com, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. For the first step, we will select the buy and sell option. Please notice I have a video linked in the description to get $80 of free crypto on Coinbase. Definitely watch that after this video and gain some free crypto today. So for the first step, we have to select the purchase frequency. As you can see, now is the one-time purchase selected. I want to keep that, but if you need to change it to a different buying frequency, then you can select one option out of this list. There are daily options, weekly, twice a month, or a monthly option. Select whatever suits for you. After that, you can fill in the amount of fiat, the euros or dollars you would like to use on this purchase. I'm using 2 euros, and after that I will select the asset we are going to buy. As you know, we want to buy the CRO coin. Tick it in the search bar and there it is. Click on it and now it's selected. So for the next step, we need to select our wallet we would like to use for the payment to buy these coins, and I'm using my Euro wallet. If you live in another country, then you can select the wallet which you want to use over here. If you don't see any options, then you can simply add a payment method by clicking the button below. After that, it will appear in this list and it's free to select for you. Now we will click on the review order. After that, it will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. We are going to buy 10.8 coins of the CRO coin, so the crypto.com coin, and the total amount we are spending on this coin is €1.01. The Coinbase fee is 99 euro cents, and as we can see, the total amount we are spending on this order is 2 euros, as we have filled in this previous overview. They also give an option to invest on a weekly base. If you select this button on yes, then this amount of 2 euros will be bought every week at the same moment on this coin. You can cancel it at any time, no worries guys, so it can be cancelled. And after that, you can click on buy now to get the tokens directly into your wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.